Number 1. 1972 Ford F-250 pickup truck, $4,500, Encinitas, California. This 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special is a long bed truck equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, Rancho shock, SNFG tires, and hot rod side pipes. The patina red bed paint adds vintage appeal, complemented by new gauges, a carburetor, battery, and fuel pump. Although the odometer is broken, it is road ready, registered until April 2026, and exempt from smog. A fun to drive, stylish pickup that attracts attention wherever it goes. Number 2. 1983 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $1,850, Auburn, Washington. This first-generation Chevrolet S10 is powered by a 2.9-liter V6 with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive, though the vacuum system needs attention. It has surface rust and an unattractive appearance, but the engine runs strong, the heater works, and nearly new tires alone are worth much of the asking price. With a clean Idaho title and good frame, it is ideal as a dependable beater, farm hauler, or beginner's first truck. Number 3. 1978 GMC Sierra 15 Long Bed 2WD, $1,500, Silver City, New Mexico. This GMC Sierra 15 has a 250 inline-six engine that is seized due to oil loss, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The frame, suspension, and chassis are rust-free, though the body shows dents, rust, and patched repairs. Missing keys, cracked glass, and interior wear add to its project status. Originally sold in Silver City, New Mexico, it represents a solid restoration candidate thanks to its straight frame and originality. Number 4. 1966 Ford F-100, $3,000, Bullhead City, Arizona. An all-original custom cab style-side pickup, this Ford F-100 is powered by the 352 V8 with a rare 3-speed automatic and factory towing package. The drivetrain is original, and the engine received a top-end rebuild fewer than 3,000 miles ago. Stored outside, it needs new tires, belts, and a battery, but the body is straight with minimal rust. A great project opportunity as the final year of this iconic body style. Number 5. 1967 Chevrolet C10, $9,800, Santa Ana, California. This long bed C10 features a V8 engine and automatic transmission, running and driving, but missing its front bumper and grille. With only 60,600 miles showing, it is an excellent foundation for restoration. Auction papers are included in the seller's name. While incomplete, the value lies in its originality and desirable 1967 body style, which marked the start of the second-generation CK trucks. Number 6. 1967 Chevrolet C10, $8,500, Crystal, North Dakota. A red 1967 Chevrolet C10 with a big block 402 engine and 2-speed automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well with minimal rust on one fender. It comes with both new wheels and the original set, plus extra parts. Although the odometer is broken, the overall condition is solid, making this an attractive choice for collectors wanting a strong driver with big block power. Number 7. 1968 Ford F-250 Ranger Camper Special, $9,500, Reno, Nevada. This Ford F-250 Camper Special is a remarkably straight and nearly rust-free truck. Powered by a 390 V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Rebuilt in the 1990s, it is used regularly and runs well. Recently refreshed steering, suspension, and cooling components ensure dependable performance. The faded blue paint shows its history, having originally been red. With a clean Nevada title and Marty report documentation, this is an excellent survivor truck. Number 8. 1975 Ford F-100 Custom, $9,500, Santan Valley, Arizona. This all-original Ford F-100 shows only 79,000 miles and is powered by a 360 V8 with automatic transmission. It runs and drives without issues, and aside from slight hood damage, the truck remains in excellent unrestored condition. Its originality, clean title, and strong mechanicals make it a desirable survivor, especially for enthusiasts who value unmodified classics. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $7,500, Georgetown, Texas. This Silverado underwent $4,000 in recent restoration work, including a new Edelbrock carburetor, ignition, fuel system, and steering components. With 73,150 miles, automatic transmission, and minimal rust, it remains highly original and mechanically sound. The interior and electrical systems are intact, while the body shows minor cosmetic needs. With Foose wheels and a clean Texas title, it is ready for daily use or further restoration. Number 10. 1990 Ford Ranger V6, $900, West Allis, Wisconsin. A budget-friendly compact pickup, this Ranger has 160,000 miles and a manual 5-speed transmission. It runs and drives, though the idle is high at 2,000–3,000 RPM. Recent work includes brakes, clutch, fuel pump, and gaskets. A leaking sunroof and worn steering box are noted, but the bed is clean and the truck comes with extra exhaust parts. At under $1,000, this is a low-cost, classic small truck project. Number 11, 1986 Ford F-150 XLT, $6,000, Oakland, California. Equipped with a 5.0-liter V8, manual transmission, and four-wheel drive, this Ford F-150 XLT is a solid mid-1980s workhorse. With 140,000 miles, it reportedly runs and drives well. While details are limited, the clean California title and classic XLT trim make it a strong candidate for a light restoration or functional daily driver. Number 12, 1967 Chevrolet El Camino, $13,000, Auburn, Washington. This 1967 El Camino is a true survivor, powered by the original 283 V8 and 2-speed Power Glide automatic. The body has never been restored, though the bed has been sandblasted and primed. The interior has been refreshed, making it drivable as is, or an excellent candidate for a full restoration. With 80,000 miles and a clean title, this El Camino offers rarity and originality, appealing to both collectors and first-time classic buyers. Number 13, 1982 Ford F-100 Short Bed Lariat, $15,000, Reno, Nevada. This F-100 Lariat short bed shows just 33,000 miles and features an inline-six engine with automatic transmission. Loaded with power windows, power locks, cruise control, air conditioning, and a custom paint finish, it has been tastefully upgraded with 22-inch wheels, tinted glass, and a modern sound system. Owned for 16 years by the seller, it is presented in excellent condition with a clean Nevada title, a unique blend of originality and customization.